Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with ChatGPT at 2026. So actually guys, at first you all need to choose your integration method. Okay, so the first method is to use a ready-made app and plugin. So that's the easiest way and no coding required. So to install a Shopify app that connects Shopify to ChatGPT or OpenAI APIs. Okay, so for example, you will need just go with the settings on the left-hand menu. And after that, you will need to scroll and click on the apps option, and then just go and click on Shopify app store. Okay, so inside that store you will need to look for the Shopify AI plus ChatGPT integration, but that's often appear in the Shopify app store and sometimes not. So let's go and type on the search bar Shopify AI. Okay, so as you can see, it's not visible, and it can be not visible because of my current region. Okay, and also let's look for ChatGPT. Yeah, ChatGPT is not visible too. So if that, you will need to look for a third-party app like Gorgeous, that's one, or you can go with Tidio, yeah, that one, and even talk.to. Right, so the benefits of using ready-made app and plugin are the fast setup, the custom UI support, the chat widget, the analytics dashboards, etc. And the drawbacks are less customization than direct API integration. So the second method is the direct integration using the OpenAI API plus Shopify. Okay, so if you want full control like personalized responses, order lookup, products recommendations, etc., this method is the most powerful that I'm about to show you. So the first step is create an OpenAI API key. So you all need to sign in to the platform.openai.com and then just create an API key. So you all need to have a subscription, of course, to do that on ChatGPT or the OpenAI platform, and choose the GPT 4.1 on your 5 as far as we are on the 2026. Okay, so you all need to go with the newer versions, the 2026 models. So after creating an API, you will need to take the JavaScript OpenAI API and also the HTML. Okay, so you will need to have both. And after that, I do really want you to go with the store or your store on Shopify, and after that just say on the apps option that you can find inside the settings of your store, then just go with develop app. Okay, and then just go with build apps and dev dashboard. Then you will be sent to that page, and you will of course need to verify your email, and to verify that email you will need to have the subscription. Okay, so you will need to be subscribed, and after that you will have an option to create a new custom app. So just click on it and add the API access scopes. Okay, so you will need just copy paste the JavaScript and the HTML. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.